In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson L110 series printer on your Windows, Linux, or Mac OS computer, laptop, or tablet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson L110 support. That's an L out front, by the way. And you just want to scroll down to the Epson support page. It says Epson L110 support. Go ahead and open that up. And then scrolling down, you want to select the Epson Software Updater utility. Go ahead and select that. And then select Download. And then once it's on your device, just go ahead and open up that file to run it. Should be a verified publisher from Epson. Select Yes. And then proceed with this installer here, getting your printer configured for your device preferences as well as wired or wireless printing. And that's pretty much it. You may need to have your printer configured to your Wi-Fi settings before opening up the software updater. And if not, you'll have to just click the refresh button once you've done so on the printer itself. And it should appear here unless you've manually connected your printer to your computer. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.